Hello and welcome to One Heart, One Brain. This video is the first of a series I named Dr. Joe Says, dedicated to my favorite sayings from Dr. Joe Dispenza, how I understand them, their importance for me, and how I put them in practice. These sayings and concepts were fundamental for me to really start being effective in applying Dr. Joe Dispenza's teachings. I hope they will be useful for you. I am linking at the upper right corner the playlist dedicated to this series for your reference. The quote I am about to share with you now is, for me, the most important one. Every time I get stuck in my practice, when I'm not in a good mood, when I am stressed, when I feel I don't do my meditations right, when I feel I'm not making any progress, I remind myself of this quote, a bit like a mantra. Dr. Joe Dispenza says, "Where you place your attention is where you place your energy." To me, this quote is an absolute must to understand when it comes to applying Dr. Joe teachings. I have a 3-level understanding of this quote, and to me, it was like a big aha moment when I started to really apply it. It's like I unlocked a superpower in a game, the game of practicing Dr. Joe's teachings. So, level 1, our thoughts. Dr. Joe says, where you place your attention is where you place your energy. Sometimes we're not even aware where we put our attention. We do it automatically, like a program executing itself by itself. We need to start to pay attention during the day to our thoughts. Then may come a big realizations, like it did for me. Maybe we are paying too much attention to negative thoughts that are coming through the day in our brain as if it is a normal thing and we can't do much about it. Without realizing it, maybe we are not conscious of it. Sometimes we are putting a lot of energy to these negative thoughts. Then it becomes like a spiral. The more you think about those thoughts, the more you pay attention to them, the more you give them energy. So naturally they expand in intensity, in power, and in numbers. How to stop that? The answer is very simple, but not so easy to apply. Stop paying attention to these negative thoughts. Put your attention on another topic. One trick that worked very well for me was to tell myself out loud, with a voice full of authority, change. At the beginning, it was not easy for me. I could hear myself saying change every half a minute, every minute, several times a day. What a pain for me at that stage of my life. So I came up with a second trick. I had a second trick in my pocket and I am sharing with you now. I know how difficult it is to change from a negative thought to a positive one instantly if you're not prepared. Switching from negative to positive instantly is a skill that you can practice. What helped me a lot was to get prepared with a mental image that was very positive for me that I would switch to no matter the negative thoughts I was having. The mental picture that worked for me was the one of my little niece. She is 3 years old. She is funny, she is cute, she makes me laugh all the time. In particular, I have taken a picture of her where she is adorable with her angel hair look, but at the same time with a facial expression that says, "I'm about to do something naughty, I'm not allowed to do, watch me." That particular picture always makes me smile and want to laugh, whatever my mood. Maybe you could think about a picture that would work for you. It could be someone you love, a pet you love, a place you love, something you are grateful for. Something that has the potential to bring a big smile on your face no matter your mood. Pick that image when you are in a positive mood. Store it somewhere in your brain and be ready to pull that card out when you want to switch from negative to positive thinking. And when you switch, remember, where you place your attention is where you place your energy. The more you will focus your attention on the positive thoughts, the more they will get your energy and the more they will gain in power and in number. If you want more joy in your life, my advice for you is to notice every single thing that makes you happy in your life. The little small things, the bigger things. The more you put attention on the little things, the more you will notice them. The more you will notice them and the more you will feel happy. Practicing gratitude for all these positive things that you have in your life is a great way to bring more joy in your life. I am linking here a video I made about a simple gratitude practice called the 5 Fingers Gratitude Practice, if you are interested in developing more on this topic. At the beginning of this video, I mentioned that I have a 3-level understanding of this quote. The second and third levels of this understanding are the emotional and the energetic levels. As I do not want this video to be too long, I will develop these 2 other levels of understanding in my next videos, and I will put them to the playlist dedicated to this series, Dr. Joe Says. Thank you very much for watching and listening. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe and share. It will help others get access to the content. Thank you.